Starting off by cutting the jacket, I tried it on and I decided how long or how short I wanted it, and now I am cutting the rest of the jackets to that size. As far as the sweater, I just wanted to save as much fabric as possible to have the dramatic sleeves. After that, I am going to be removing the pockets off of the army fatigue jacket because that is going to be the bottom jacket. So I am using my seam ripper to remove the stitches. After removing the pockets, I am now going to remove the sleeves from the jacket. I'm trying my hardest to cut as close to the seam as possible without actually cutting the seam. I'm going to save the sleeves for another project. I am now going to cut off the sides, the excess size from the denim jacket so it can be the same size as the army fatigue jacket. And after doing that, I'm then going to stitch the sides of the denim jacket together. Once I get to the bottom, I go ahead and turn the jacket around, and then I flip that seam so it can lay flat, and then I go ahead and add another stitch, and this way it ensures that the edges of the denim won't unravel. As you can see, I am left with a nice flat stitch. Next, I am going to take the excess fabric from the sweater. I'm cutting it in half. I didn't measure it, so guys spare me, but I'm cutting it in half, and then I am also going to stitch the sides of it. After sewing the sides of the sleeves, I am now going to hem the bottom of the sleeves, and because the sleeve does have a split into it, I am also going to hem the sides of the split, if that makes sense. Once the sleeves are complete, I am then going to attach it to the army fatigue jacket, and I'm going to take that jacket and place it on the inside of the denim jacket, and I'm going to sew the sides of the army fatigue and the denim jacket together. I removed the buttonhole band because I wanted the army fatigue part to be a little bit more exposed, so I'm just going to remove that strip from both sides of the denim jacket. Then I'm going to flip both of them inside, and I'm going to stitch it down. So the stitching down is optional. You don't have to stitch it down to the army fatigue jacket. You can just hem it and leave it as so, and you're done.